In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Life 360 widget. To begin, unlock your phone. This is a simple but crucial step. You want to ensure that your phone is ready for you to navigate through the apps. Depending on your device, this might involve pressing the power button and swiping upwards or using a fingerprint. Once unlocked, your home screen will be visible, displaying all your apps. This is where the process starts. You should see various icons representing your installed applications. Once you're on the home screen, you'll be ready to locate the Life 360 app quickly. Next, find the Life 360 app. You may have it organized in a specific folder or simply on your home screen. Look for the recognizable Life 360 icon, which typically features a blue color with a white circular design. This visual cue is essential since it helps you quickly identify the app among many. If you have multiple pages of apps, swipe left or right to navigate through them. Take your time here. It's important to ensure you select the correct app. This step is foundational because it sets you up to create easy access to the app you need. Now, touch and hold the Life 360 icon. This action will prompt your phone to enter a mode where you can move or edit your app icons. You should notice that the icons may begin to wobble or show options for editing. This is a standard feature on most devices that allows you to customize your home screen according to your preferences. Holding the icon is crucial as it gives you the ability to create a shortcut directly on your home screen, making it much easier to access Life 360 in the future. From there, drag it to the home screen. This involves moving your finger while maintaining pressure on the app icon. You might need to navigate to the edge of your screen if you are moving it from a folder or another page. Ensure you are moving it to a clear space on the home screen. This visual adjustment is significant because it allows you to organize your apps in a way that suits your daily routine. Finally, release to place the shortcut. At this moment, the Life 360 app icon should settle into its new position on your home screen. You will see it perfectly aligned with your other apps, ready for easy access whenever you need it. This action is essential because it saves you time when you want to open the app quickly. You can now tap this icon anytime to access Life 360 and enjoy its features without navigating through menus. By following these steps, you have successfully created a shortcut for the Life 360 app on your home screen. This simple adjustment can improve your device's usability, allowing you to stay connected with your family and loved ones efficiently. Remember, the quicker access to Life 360 will help you manage your location sharing needs effectively. Enjoy your newly organized home screen and feel free to rearrange your apps further for even better accessibility.